Hello everyone, petar.jacimovic here from microanalysis.com. I want to post the update on the USD currency pair, since I established two positions here in the easier session here. I secured right now I secured positions, so I'm in plus right now like 25 pips, and I will right now speak more about the reason why I entered this position and why we may expect a further lower price. Again, keep in mind that we have in about 3 days we have the ECB will release the interest rates. So again, pay attention to that to March 10, because it will be very, very potential strong volatility in the 3 days. Anyway, till then we have the we have the time for our setup, so it can go even to my first target or even second target before the interest rate decision. I saw on a lot of websites and so on, people and traders and forecasters suggesting the higher price on the USD, since we broke this. Many of them they put this downward channel. That's fine, nothing wrong with that. They put this channel, price reacted very, very strongly here from this channel at 1.0900 area. It's something like price rejected from this stage here and went higher. Now many of the analysts and they're expecting the higher USD, the stronger USD, but in my opinion this is much more for a lower price. Of course, I must say we don't know what will have the interest rates and how will influence the market and so on, but before the interest rates I still expect a lower price, and that's why I established the selling positions around this stage here. Why I'm expecting? Because of the massive buying climax, and it doesn't matter what pattern you have and what you have. So you can have very, very good pattern, but if you see that climatic actions like this, on the tick volume and on the futures market, it's insane big volume spike. So we got a volume spike, the largest volume in the past few months. And also the tick volume, we see the buying climatic action. This all happened on the news Friday. Look, we have the strong massive bar here, 80 pips. Now you will say you have the pin bar and so on. Pin bar rejected from the 50 simple moving average on the 1 hour time frame and so on. That's okay, but it's still buying climax, and market don't like the widespread bars, the bullish widespread bars. Anyway, price continued higher, another widespread bar in an ultra high volume, and from that point the sellers came in at this stage here, and then we'll finish it Friday here, then price gapped here, and we saw the lack of demand. There is no big demand at all here, so price just dropped about 40-45 pips. So again, this massive buying climax. Also, if you go from the high to the low, we have the Fibonacci retracement 38.2. also there is a swing high from this stage here, so it's still a lower swing high. If you watch this swing high, we have the series of the lower swing highs, even though this didn't break this swing high here, and we got the buying climax. So if you watch even about the technical aspect, we have the lower swing highs on the 1 hour or the 4 hour, whatever you look, and then it's a 4 hour. There is a massive reaction from the 200 MA here, and look at this bar. There is a lot of weakness in this bar, and it's not surprised why the supply came in and why we expect lower price. So this is a very, very weak bar, and there is a massive supply came in at this stage here. So it's a very, very dangerous to build any buying positions at this stage here. So again, massive buying climax followed by weak demands later on. It's a very good sign for the weakness and potential for a lower price. I don't know if we can go from this point here. I secured this stage here, so we will see how much price can go. And let's say my fixed targets are first target is around 1.0825, which I'm going for 150 pips. My risk in this setup was around 50 pips. And my second take profit is actually Fibonacci expansion from this ABC point, which is around 1.0710. That's about 270 pips from the entry. So we'll see if we can reach this. At least I'm expecting to reach this swing low in the next days, so that price drop like 120 pips. So, and then later on, if we got power, we can even test this before the massive ECB press conference and the interest rate decision. I also want to post you the futures market, because it's extremely massive spike happening here. Look at the 1 hour time frame. Look at the 1 hour time frame. So you have the spike here in this bar, about 100k, 104k traded contracts on the futures market in this bullish bar. This is the highest ground here. This is a new high at this stage here, and we got massive demand, very massive demand, and this may turn this market bearish from this stage here, and professionals for sure sold at this stage. We saw also very supply and high volume, and then later on we saw the very big demand over the Asia session, and right now you can observe, look at this demand. This is a very weak, there is no professional interest for the further upward side, and we already got the massive sign of weakness in the background, massive buying climax and volume spike. So for sure professionals are sold there, looking for reselling and so on. Now the question I getting often is why the weakness appears on the up bars. Why the weakness appears on the up bars and strength appears on the down bars. It's very simple. You want the better price to enter. Professionals want a better price to enter. First of all, let's say that most of the banks are selling here to unload their positions. Okay, to unload their positions, they wait something like this: the massive buying climatic actions, where the crowd extend, where the fear is extended, you know, because during the news and so on, whatever the reason is, usually it's because of the news, bad or good news, doesn't matter. It just trigger for the crowd to establish the volatility. And again, if there is no big volatility on the market, there is no trade for the professionals. You must understand that. Not on the forex, on any markets, equities, on any market, the liquidity equal to potential good opportunities equal to professional trading. So volatility is it's activity, and if you don't have the large things, it's very bad to even trade or to day trade forex or whatever, because if you day trade on the low liquidity, you chase actually forex market and you play with the fire pretty much. Anyway, back here again, massive volume spike, as you see, 104k traded contracts. And look, you know, this is a massive buying climax, and professionals will look here to sell, to resell. It's a still lower swing highs. If you compare this swing high here, it's still lower swing high, and Fibonacci tracing 38.2 almost tested this swing high. So we may expect retest of this swing low, and later on further lower price on this one. Even though many of the traders got, again, I will back right now to this one. Many of the traders got this trading range which got broken on the Friday. Okay, and they expect a higher price and the price to continue higher. Okay, that's maybe a you know, they look on this way because we broke the pattern, we broke the channel, we got since they don't have volume, they see just price action, which is very strong at this stage here. Price action, if you don't have the volume and you understand how to read activity, you will probably buying here on the Asia session, and also later on you will try to buy the USD. But again, there is a big risk. I cannot say it cannot go higher because this is a forex. Of course it can go higher, but according to the volume activity and the massive climatic action of the futures market as well, it's a very risky to buy. It's a less riskier, and there is a potential reasons for the lower price much more than for the higher price. Anyway, I have position, and we will see. I secured position, and we'll watch the price action. Maybe the price will go here and close and do nothing and do the sideways, or in sideways to the ECB. We don't know that, but anyway, I established position to try to take advantage of this massive buying climax from Friday. So again, this is it. That's all for this analysis. I pretty much have the positions here. 0.5 risk for each one. I have two positions. First one, fixed target is around 1.0825, and the second take profit is 1.0710. Of course, if I see the price action suggesting me that I need to exit before, or the price close on the break even, then I just I watch the next opportunities or new opportunities on the market. Okay, now I wish you good trading. If you like my video and if you really want to start my mentorship program, you can contact me on my Skype so we can arrange the potential cooperation. I will put the link, put the username, Skype username in the description of the video, so you can add me. Also, if you like my video, feel free to comment. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this analysis. Wish you good trading and trade safe.